Hey guys, welcome back to XDA TV. Today I'm going to share with you guys the process on how to restore or re-enable the always on display on our OnePlus 6. This is TK and this is XDA TV. First thing I want to mention to you guys is that we do need to have root on our device, and the last video I posted for you guys here on XDA shows you how to install not only the official twerp, unlocking the bootloader, as well as installing the Magix installer and the app manager here. Once we have those installed, you'll be able to turn on this functionality, and I'll give you guys a link in the description to be able to get that file that we're going to need. But the first thing I want to share with you guys, if you did not install the update, so this is a OnePlus 6 that I just received, and I did not install the first update that comes in, you'll notice that by default, we can actually go under the display, and then we'll go under ambient display. And there's an option here to turn it on, and I know it's a little bit dark. Once I turn it on, you'll say here, display message, color clock, show how to show. You have the always on as well as lift up to display. So always on was always built in here. And on our system, after running the latest version of the software, you'll go under display, and then under ambient display, we do not have that option. Turning it on, all you get is the clock and the display message. This process is going to walk you through on how to be able to get this back, even though you're running the latest version of the software. So the process is very simple. We do need to download one file. I'll give you guys a link again in the description, but the file is called the OnePlus 5 Always On Enabler, and this actually seems to work also on the OnePlus 6. So we'll go ahead and go home. We'll go into the Magix installer. Again, you do need to have Magix installed. Running the latest version is preferable. Go under modules. Now, this one is already installed, but if it doesn't show up in there, you just go plus, go to the recents, go to file manager, scroll all the way to the bottom, select it and install it. It will require you to reboot, so enabling this will go ahead and do that. As you notice, we did not have it before, so I'll go ahead and restart my device, and I'm going to go a reboot. Once your device is restarted, go ahead and go back into the settings tab, go under display, and then go back into the ambient display, and you'll notice there's a few more options here. Well, those are the same options we had when we did first installed here. So you notice it mirrors what we have. So now when we say is when to show, just say always on, and then you can the display period between when and when, the display mode and all of that. And then when I lock my device, our always on display is back. Again, very simple, very easy. You just need to make sure that you do have Magix installed, download that module, install it, turn it on, restart the device, and you're set. Hope you found this process very easy. Again, just download the module, install it, reboot the device, and the always on display gets turned back on your device. OnePlus 6 is definitely a very nice device, has a lot of cool features going on for it, and I felt really bad that right after I got my device and I installed the first update, always on display went away. Well, we got it back now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe as usual to this channel, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.